the most beautiful mountains in the world. Mountains. They're more than just landforms. They're symbols of strength, peace, and mystery. For centuries, they've inspired explorers, poets, and travelers with their beauty and power. From snow-covered peaks that touch the sky to volcanic ridges glowing under the sun, the world's mountains remind us how breathtaking our planet truly is. Today, we'll journey across continents to discover 20 of the most beautiful mountains in the world. Places so magnificent, they almost look unreal. So, grab your seat and let's climb through nature's grandest works of art. 1. Matterhorn, Switzerland and Italy. The Matterhorn is one of Europe's most iconic mountains, standing at 4,478 meters, 14,692 feet, tall. Its near-perfect pyramid shape straddles the border between Switzerland and Italy and towers above the town of Zermatt. It's been called the Mountain of Mountains, and when sunlight hits its peak at dawn, it glows like gold. Climbers and photographers travel from around the globe to capture this spectacular sight. Whether seen in winter snow or summer green, the Matterhorn never fails to impress. The Matterhorn is proof that nature doesn't need to try too hard to be perfect. Mount Fuji, Japan. Japan's Mount Fuji, standing 3,776 meters, 12,389 feet, is as much a cultural symbol as it is a natural wonder. It's an almost perfectly symmetrical volcano surrounded by 5 serene lakes and cherry blossom trees. In spring, pink petals float across its reflection. In winter, snow caps its top like icing on a cake. Thousands hike up every year to catch the sunrise, known in Japan as Goraiko, believed to bring good luck and renewal. Mount Fuji isn't just beautiful, it's spiritual. The Dolomites, Italy. The Dolomites in northern Italy are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a masterpiece of rock and light. When sunset hits these jagged peaks, they glow pink and orange, a phenomenon called en rosa dira. Whether you're hiking through Tre Cime di Lavaredo or skiing in Cortina d'Ampezzo, every angle offers postcard beauty. If there's a place where mountains meet art, it's here in the Dolomites. 4. Mount Denali, Alaska, USA. Denali, once known as Mount McKinley, is North America's tallest peak at 6,190 meters, 20,310 feet. Located in Alaska's vast wilderness, Denali dominates the skyline like a giant of ice and stone. Only a few days a year reveal its summit without clouds, making those clear moments incredibly special. From glaciers to grizzlies, Denali National Park shows nature in its purest, wildest form. Denali doesn't just rise above the land, it rises above imagination. 5. Mount Everest, Nepal/China. The tallest of them all. Mount Everest stands at 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet. It's not just a peak, it's a symbol of human determination and endurance. But beyond the height, there's incredible beauty. Glaciers, golden sunrises, and colorful prayer flags fluttering in the Himalayan winds. For trekkers, even reaching the base camp feels like touching the edge of heaven. Everest is where the earth meets the sky, and the soul meets its limits. Six. Table Mountain, South Africa. Cape Town's iconic Table Mountain stands at 1,086 meters, 3,563 feet, and is famous for its flat summit. It overlooks both the city and the ocean, giving one of the most breathtaking panoramic views in Africa. Covered in rare plants and often surrounded by clouds known as the tablecloth, this mountain is both mysterious and majestic. A view from Table Mountain is a view you never forget. Seven. Mount Fitzroy, Patagonia, Argentina/Chile. In Patagonia, Mount Fitzroy pierces the sky with rugged granite spires and dramatic cliffs. It's 3,405 meters, 11,171 feet. Tall and one of the most photogenic peaks in the world. During sunrise, its pink glow reflects on the nearby glacial lakes, creating one of Earth's most magical sights. It's remote, wild, and untouched, the way nature was meant to be. Fitzroy doesn't just exist, it commands attention. Eight. The Canadian Rockies, Canada. Stretching across Alberta and British Columbia, the Canadian Rockies are a paradise of peaks, lakes, and forests. Mount Robson, Mount Assiniboine, and the Banff region showcase beauty that almost feels unreal. Lake Louise and Moraine Lake mirror the snowy peaks perfectly, their turquoise waters glowing in summer sunlight. The Rockies are not just mountains, they're nature's symphony. Nine. Mount Cook, Aoraki, New Zealand. Aoraki, or Mount Cook, is New Zealand's highest mountain at 3,724 meters, 12,218 feet. It sits among glaciers, alpine lakes, and dramatic ridges that look straight out of a fantasy film. From Lake Pukaki, you can see its reflection shimmer across turquoise water, a sight that captures the heart instantly. Aoraki is not just New Zealand's tallest, it's its soul. 10. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Kilimanjaro is Africa's highest mountain, standing alone at 5,895 meters, 19,341 feet. It rises above the savanna like a snow-crowned island in the sky. What makes it special is how diverse it is, from tropical forests at the base to icy glaciers at the top. Kilimanjaro is Africa's roof and a masterpiece of contrasts. (11) The Himalayas, India, Nepal, Bhutan. The Himalayas stretch across several countries and hold the planet's highest peaks. But beyond Everest, mountains like Kanchenjunga and Annapurna offer landscapes just as breathtaking. Snow-capped ridges, colorful monasteries, and deep valleys make the Himalayas a spiritual and scenic wonder. In the Himalayas, every mountain tells a story. (12) Mount Elbrus, Russia. Mount Elbrus, Europe's highest peak at 5,642 meters, 18,510 feet, is part of the mighty Caucasus Range. Its twin snow domes rise above endless white slopes, attracting climbers and photographers alike. Elbrus feels both peaceful and powerful, a sleeping giant surrounded by frozen silence. Elbrus reminds us that beauty often lies in the extremes. (13) Mount Roraima, Venezuela/Brazil/Guyana. Mount Roraima looks like something out of another world. A flat-topped mountain that inspired The Lost World and Pixar's Up. Its sheer cliffs rise 400 meters, 1,300 feet, above rainforest clouds. The plateau is often wrapped in mist, giving it an otherworldly, mysterious appearance. Roraima is where Earth feels closest to the sky. (14) The Andes, South America. The Andes stretch over 7,000 kilometers across South America, from Venezuela to Chile. They're home to dramatic peaks, colorful deserts, and ancient cultures. Aconcagua, the highest mountain in the Andes, stands at nearly 7,000 meters. And in Peru, Rainbow Mountain glows in stripes of red, green, and gold, a natural painting. The Andes are not one mountain, they're an entire world. (15) Mount Sinai, Egypt. Rising in Egypt's Sinai Peninsula, this sacred mountain glows reddish gold at sunrise and sunset. It's believed to be where Moses received the Ten Commandments. Beyond its religious meaning, Mount Sinai's rugged landscape and peaceful silence make it one of the most spiritual mountains on Earth. Here, history and nature share the same silence. (16) Mount Etna, Italy. Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, is both fearsome and beautiful. Located in Sicily, its eruptions light up the night sky, creating incredible natural fireworks. Its slopes are covered in fertile vineyards and ancient lava flows, proof that destruction can also create life. Etna is Earth's heartbeat, fiery, powerful, and alive. The Drakensberg Mountains, South Africa. Known as the Dragon Mountains, the Drakensberg stretch across South Africa with dramatic cliffs and lush green valleys. They're home to some of the world's tallest waterfalls, including Tugela Falls. Covered in mist and mystery, these mountains feel like a land from ancient legends. In the Drakensberg, every cloud hides a secret. 18. Mount Rainier, Washington, USA. Mount Rainier is a massive dormant volcano visible from miles away. At 4,392 meters, 14,411 feet, it dominates the Seattle skyline and is surrounded by flower-filled meadows. During sunrise, its snow-covered top turns pink and orange, creating a breathtaking sight. Rainier is proof that beauty and power can coexist. 19. Mount Cook Range, New Zealand. Beyond Aoraki itself, New Zealand's southern Alps are filled with glaciers, rivers, and valleys that sparkle under clear blue skies. It's one of the best places in the world for stargazing, as the night sky shines above untouched peaks. The Swiss Alps, Switzerland. No mountain list is complete without the Swiss Alps. From Jungfrau to Eiger and Mont Blanc nearby, these ranges look like they're straight out of a dream. Winter brings snowy charm, while summer reveals rolling green meadows and crystal-clear lakes. The Alps are where heaven touches earth, gracefully. Mountains remind us that beauty takes time. Millions of years to form, yet a lifetime to appreciate. They challenge us to climb higher, breathe deeper, and see the world from a new perspective. From Africa to Asia, from icy peaks to fiery volcanoes, these mountains show just how extraordinary our planet is. Which of these would you love to see in person? Forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more breathtaking travel content.